Okay, look at example 11. Find the vector equation and the Cartesian equation. Okay, so I will explain to you what is vector equation and Cartesian equation of the plane that passes through the point 1, 3, -2 and is perpendicular to the vector I minus j plus 2k. So example here means like this. You have a plane like this, and then this plane has one point here, 1, 3, -2. Okay, the point, this is the point, and then you are told that this plane is perpendicular. Is it perpendicular to this? That means perpendicular means the vector given I minus j plus 2k is the normal. We call it the normal. So I minus 1, 2. Okay, and then the point is 1, 3, -2, which is point P. Or this is the OP. The vector position OP, you should write it like this. 1, 3, -2. Okay, so actually then you just choose any point here. Any point as X, Y, Z. So PR dot with N should be 0 because they are perpendicular. Okay, because they are perpendicular. So you see PR dot with N is 0. So therefore you have OR minus OP dot with N. This is OR minus OP equal to 0. And then OR dot N in minus OP dot this one equal to 0. So that means OR dot N equal to OP dot with N. So what is OR? This is R. We call it R. Dot this one dot with this. Same as this one dot with this. Okay, this one R dot with N equal to this one dot with N if you want to find the equation of this plane. So you dot. So next time if you want to find, you just use this one, the formula. This one you can ignore. Okay, you just use the formula. That means or this, or you just use this. Okay, this step or just explanation how it comes about. Okay, so you have x, y, z dot with N, that is this one, x, y, z dot with this one equal to this one dot with this one. Correct? You see I dot. So after you dot, you will get this. Okay, you will get this. So this is called, so you see after you dot, you get this is x minus y plus 2z equal to -6. So this is called the Cartesian equation. This is called Cartesian equation. X, y, z is called Cartesian equation. And then if you write it like this, from here, this one dot with this is this one dot with this. So when you dot this one, you get 1, -3, -4. So when you dot this one, you get -. This is called vector equation. This is called vector equation. If you dot this side also, you will get a Cartesian equation. If this side you don't dot, you just leave it like this, you only dot the right hand side, you get a vector equation. If you dot both sides, you will get a Cartesian equation. Cartesian equation. Okay, what does it mean when you get this answer? You see, okay, your equation of the Cartesian equation of the plane is this one. Meaning, okay, let's say x equal to 0, y equal to 0. That means you get the z is equal to -3. That means this plane, the plane that we are finding, that means the plane we are finding here, they passes through a point x 0, y 0, z equal to -3. Okay, then where is this point? Okay, I show you here. Because there I got no place to write. Okay, you see x minus y plus 2z equal to -6. X equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to -3. So that means actually the plane passes through this point. Okay, this is x, y, z. That means x 0, y 0, z -3. That means they passes through this point. Here, this point. This is x 0, y 0, z -3. They passes through this point. Actually, many points. You can put, let's say, x equal to 1, y equal to 2, correct? And then, okay, I put 3 back easier, so that we don't have. So this is -2, -4, that means the z will be -2. That means the plane will passes through the point 1, 3, -2. Passes through the point 0, 0, -3. So they passes through many points, this plane, okay? And then you can put, let's say I put z equal to 0, okay? And then I put x equal to, let's say, 0 also. Therefore, what is the y? I get y will be 6. That means the plane will passes through the point 0, 6, 0. So you have so many points, billions of points. So this is the equation of the plane, okay? For example A. So remember, this is called the Cartesian equation where you have x, y, z. And then this one is called the vector equation. Okay, but usually they will ask for Cartesian equation. Of course, after we have to learn one more. We call it the parametric. That is the next example, the parametric equation. Okay, now we come to B. B is this. Find the vector equation and Cartesian equation of the plane that is perpendicular. There you see perpendicular. That means perpendicular means that is the normal n. 4, -3, 1, and contain the point with the position vector. The point is this one, 3, 0, 1, 3, 0, 1. So when you want to find the equation, you just take this one dot with this one, and then this one dot with this one. That's all. So you see, I show you. Then straight away, I use the equation. So equation of the plane, I just take this one dot with this one dot with this one. So I have x, y, z dot with this equal to this one dot with this. Okay, so I get this one. Here, if I put it like this side I dot, then I will get this is called a vector equation. This is x, y, z. Okay, but let's say I dot it, or you can write it like this. This is also a vector equation. Because I only dot the right hand side. I don't dot the left hand side. So this is called a vector equation. So if I dot both sides, this side also I dot, I will get Cartesian equation. Okay? And then here you can get many points. x0, y0, you can find your z. Let's say you put x equal to 1, y equal to 2, you can find your z. So you see you got so many points, they passes through. Okay? So this is for example B. Now we go to C. We look at question C. How is it? You see, find the vector equation and Cartesian equation of a plane which passes through the point. Now you are given the point. A is -2, 1, 4. Is it? A is -2, 1, 4 and perpendicular to the line. So this line is the normal perpendicular. Perpendicular means we call it normal, the normal of the plane. So the line is x minus 1 over 2, y this one. Okay, actually this one is what? Z minus 0, isn't it? So that means this line passes through a point 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0. And the direction of n is 2, 4, 3. Okay, the direction is 2, 4, 3. So actually when you want to do this one, not important. The important is this one. This one, nothing one. So when you want to find the vector equation and Cartesian equation, we just take this one dot with this, and then this one dot with this, like that. This one dot with this equal to this one dot with this. So you dot like that. So you just dot x, y, z, that is r dot with n equal to a dot with n. Okay, so you dot x, y, z dot with 2, 4, 3. You don't take this one dot with this one. It's this one dot with the n, this one dot with the n. So you dot. Okay, here I dot the right hand side. I don't dot the left hand side. So I get the vector equation. I only dot the right hand side. I don't dot the left hand side. That is the vector equation. So the Cartesian equation, I dot both sides. So this is a Cartesian equation. So again, here you can find many points. Here you can put x equal to 0, y equal to 0, y is a z. Okay, the z here is 4. So you can put x equal to 1, y equal to 0. So what is this? Z, this one is, I think, 10 over 3, like that. So you have so many points. Okay, so you look at this one first, after I show you D.